Hi there. Today I'm gonna show you our friend in the garden. This poor thing was caught inside a rat cage, but it's good, so we learn. These rat cages are excellent because they don't kill the animal. So if it's a beneficial animal, we can release it, such as this one. It's important that these types of cages are inspected on a daily basis. Here I've just released him. It's been around maybe 5 hours that he's been trapped. The cage is in a well shaded area. I don't put them in the sun. You have to have compassion for all animals. And then I released him. I didn't touch him, not because of the stings. I didn't touch him so he doesn't have my smell on his body. It's not that I smell a lot, it's just maybe other hedgehogs will abandon him if they smell my odor on him. He is acting shy right now. Maybe because I'm speaking a bit loud, but don't worry, he'll soon go on his way. This one is beneficial in our gardens, the hedgehog, because he eats a lot of insects, mostly snails and slugs, even some types of worms, and sometimes, but not his primary source of food, some fruits and vegetables that fall on the ground are at his reach. So we have to protect and encourage them to come to live in our area, usually by letting a bunch of cuttings in a corner, letting them there without ever touching them. Usually they are attracted to sleep in them. So for now that's all. Let me shut up. I'll go a bit far away so you'll see him walking away.